Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your App Store if it says verification required. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first method is to change your Apple ID payment method. So to get rid of this issue on your device, the first method we will use is to change the Apple ID payment methods. So just follow the instruction right here to change the Apple ID payment method. So first just unlock your iOS device and then just open the iPhone settings and then tap onto your Apple ID available on the top and select iTunes and App Store option. And after that, just select your Apple ID and then choose View Apple ID and choose the Manage Payments option. And then here you will find all the payment methods added to your account and then just simply choose edit option available on the top right side and tap onto the minus icon and tap on the remove the option to remove the payment methods. And now all payment methods added to your account are removed, which means now you can't buy any paid app with your Apple ID, and this will also remove the verification required on App Store error. And next method here, what you can do is to update shipping and payment info. So if the prior method didn't work for you or fails to solve the verification required on the App Store error, so try this process on your device. So you have to update the shipping and payment info on your Apple ID. So to do that, just open your iPhone and then go to its settings app and then tap onto the Apple ID and then select payment and shipping. So select your payment method and on the next screen, you can click onto the edit to change your payment info. And once the payment info is updated, just press done button to save the payment changes. And that's it for the method 2 or the second method. What you can do here lastly is to update media purchases info. So just follow the instructions right here to update media purchases info. So first unlock your iPhone and then select the settings option and then tap onto your Apple ID available at the top of your screen and then now choose the media and purchases option. So right here as shown in the photo and select view account option from the pop-up menu and then choose the managed payment option. And now all payment methods will be available on your screen, so just select the payment methods to update your info. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.